So here's how I do these zipper doors. So I like to seal these things off. I like to duct tape all around it. So the duct tape sticks to the plastic well here, but you don't want the duct tape to go stick to the casing because that will ruin the casing. So what I do is I blue tape to the casing and then I duct tape to the blue tape. You can see here. So I'm going to run this duct tape the rest of the way down and seal it off. Then I use these adhesive zippers here. Zip wall probably makes the best one. Put 2 zippers, one on each side of this door. You zip the zipper up and you take this thing and you, oops, here, poke it in, and then it just cuts the plastic right down, and it cuts it in a strip like this, so that when you zip it, your zipper doesn't get caught in the thing. And what's nice about the 2 zippers is that you can just roll the thing up and get the whole door out of the way. So you can carry big debris and that sort of thing out of there, and then drop the thing down and zip it and seal it off and keep in control of the dust. So every house gets one of these things. What I like to do is lock myself in here and Instagram all day.